shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's Daily Dark Pool Whisper for October 16th, 2019. Let's start with the SPY because she's already rolling. We're going to be bullish above 298.75. And yep, big target is that 300 level. So keep your eye on the target. We're going to be bearish below 298 for a retracement trade down to the 4 EMA. That would be the first stop if we do head lower. The E-minis, we're going to be bullish above 29.93 and bearish below 29.82. The Russell, we're going to be bullish above 151.50. And you can see there's quite a few moving averages above it. And I like every single one. Don't ask me to take them off my chart, okay? We have the 100, the simple 30, the 200 simple moving average, the 180, the 161 exponential, and the 120 simple moving average. And each one has a different computer program to sell. So that's why I'm not taking any of those off. Bearish below 150.62. The QQQs are going to be bullish above 193.50 and bearish below 192.75. Let's go to the NASDAQ futures. Bullish above 79.56 and bearish below 79.25. I did the Dow futures this morning. Bullish above 27,000 and bearish below 26,875. Oil's heating up this morning. Bullish above 53.12. We just broke above that. Let me show you. There we go. Yep. Looks like we might be headed to this Camarilla. Bearish below 52.50. Right, if we can't hold. This is really key, this Camarilla here. Big volume. Yeah, this is a Pivot Boss Camarillas. This is not what comes with Thinkorswim, by the way. So if you've been trying to match up yours with mine using Thinkorswim, it's not going to work. It's Pivot Boss. You can go look that up and grab those and import them into your Thinkorswim platform. All right, let's go to the gold futures. Gold futures are bullish above 14.91. We've been killing it on the short side with gold. Yeah, we are below massive prints. We had some more yesterday on IAU, and we are below yesterday's, which, let me just pull those up, those prints. We're 14.18. We had about 3 million almost. 2.854 to be exact. So yeah, 14.18. We are below massive prints at 14.37. That's really the key level. Again, this is a slow vehicle to trade. I definitely prefer to trade GDX, which I'll go over those levels in a moment, or GLD. So on the gold futures, bearish below 14.8250. Yeah, this 100 moving average is going to be really key as well. There should be some buyers there, but if we close below that, look out below. This 120 is really key. And this 161 exponential is really good in silver, really good for commodities, but I like it for everything. But originally put it on my chart for commodities. Let's go to BAC. Somebody likes their earnings. We're going to be bullish above 30.50. All right, we'll see if we can. We did one test already this morning, by the way. Yeah, the first time it hits a major level, computers are loaded to sell on the 50-cent increments. Let it pull back. Then if it can break above that, that's when you want to enter. Bearish below 30 for a retracement trade back down to the 4 EMA. You can see every time it's gone far away, it's retraced. Moved up, retrace, move up. Let's go on to the other stocks on the list. We got Apple. Oops. Yeah, so Apple had a pretty big print, 236.70. We are below that, so that is bearish right now for Apple. I'll only be bullish above 235.50, but that's for a small trade, retracing to the pivot. All right, little 50-cent trade right there, but bearish below 233.75. The next trade down would be from like the 4 EMA down to the 8. Okay, that's the trade that I'm looking at today. Teva, although I do warn against trading pharmaceuticals. This Israeli company does have a lot of volume, but be careful, okay? Definitely much better trading options. Bullish above 737, bearish below 687. Let's go to GLD. Yep, so gold, watch the 139 level. Yeah, so if GLD breaks down, right now it's retracing back up to the 4 EMA. But if it does turn around and breaks down below this 139, yeah, this is a great trade down to 138. Bullish above 140.50, though I'm only going to be truly kind of bullish above 140.50, above the 8 EMA. But we are below mega prints right now. GDX. So this guy, we had prints recently at 27.02 and 27.28. That's why these levels are in place right here. So they may play print pong. That's why I did that trade setup. But really bearish below 25.87. Again, the trade, we could retrace back up to the 4, but watch for the move back down to 25.50 is my last target on this trade, but the 120, they'll have some buyers there at 25.77 area. And again, that moves. So wherever that is, that's where the buyers are going to load up. Roku, this one's for my friend Otis, who loves to trade Roku. Bullish above 135 and bearish below 132. All right, there'll be a retracement trade if it does go below 132. Definitely will, most likely head to 130 where it would bounce. There's buyers there at that 50 moving average and that major $5 increment level. So let's go to AMD. AMD, yep, yesterday bullish above 31, could not break above that. Today, bullish above 31.06, just tweaked it slightly. Bearish below 30.25 for retracement. If it does go below the 4, yeah, it would if this is a rounded top, is really what I'm looking at. Yeah, then we would most likely come here. If not, bullish above here. Right, so those are the two trade setups. Let's talk about silver. So silver's slow, but we had massive prints. More of a swing trade. We are below those massive prints of 1639, which I sent out a push notification, 1643. So if we were to go above those levels, then I would be bullish on a swing trade, but bearish below 16. The gravitational pulls to the downside. We're below the 8 EMA. In fact, the 4 crossed below the 8. But doesn't mean we go straight down. A lot of times we like to retrace back up to the 4, then turn around. So watch that 16 level. A faster way to trade silver is AG. And I know Paladin, Don loves to trade AG. We're going to be bearish below 9 for this guy. Yeah, so watch, definitely faster. UAL had earnings, not too much volume this morning. But I love these stocks that gap up like this. We're going to be bullish above 90 and bearish below 88.75 for UAL. There you have it. Those are your whispers for October 16th, 2019. Remember, I will not be here tomorrow, but I will send out push notifications as soon as I can to where the dark pool is trading. Thank you, Paul. He'll be sending me texts tomorrow. If anything big happens, I will let you guys know. Have a great day. Happy trading, everybody.
No thinking, that's my secret. Gonna keep it my secret. My secret.